Hi, it's Katz with New Law Business Model, and I'm back with part 4 of the story of how I started my own law practice, and you can too, and have a life you absolutely love. So in my last video, I shared how I began to be able to listen to the voice, the still small voice that was always guiding me, but had mostly been shouting really awful things at me to try and get me to take steps towards a life I would love. Well, finally, I began to be able to listen. And what I heard is this voice saying, you can have your own law practice. In fact, I began to look around and see other women that were successful having their own law practices. I had a friend named Deirdre who had gone to Stanford Law, and she had worked at a big law firm just like I had, and she had started her own law practice. And I had a phone call with her, and she told me she was making $25,000 a month in her law practice. And I thought to myself, if she can do it, I can do it. That thought has guided me through most of my life. If she can do it, I can do it. Now, it was a lot of hard work, and I was pretty scared when, after giving birth to my second child, I didn't go back to the security of that 6-figure paycheck. Instead, I told the senior partner I worked with I'd be starting my own law firm. He told me I shouldn't do it. I should stay another few years and learn more, and I said, I just can't. I have 2 kids now, and I can't leave them 12 hours a day anymore. I'm going to start my own law practice, and I'm going to be successful with it. He was quite disappointed. He didn't think I'd be able to make it, but I did. In just 3 years, I built my law practice into $1 million a year law firm. And in my 4th year, I only had to go into the office 3 to 4 days a week while I wrote a best-selling book and began training other lawyers on my model. And I'd love to share it with you, step by step. So watch for future videos from me, Katz of New Law Business Model, and I'll share all the details of how I did it, and you can too. So you can use my mantra, if she can do it, I can do it, and make it your own. Because it's true. If I could do it, you can do it too. You can absolutely have a life and law practice you love.